At the time of creating this video, my YouTube channel is just creeping up on 2,000 subscribers. But more importantly, it has generated me over $100,000 as a business off of the back. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I have managed to achieve this, including every step I put into place and the 3 main revenue streams that have generated me over $100,000. All too often, I see creators building a large following online, but having no way of monetizing their audience. What's more impressive to me is when I understand how people have made a business off the back of a smaller following. So I am all about growing a potent YouTube channel, a channel that actually gets focused leads, and then you can actually make money off the back. So in order to understand the system that I put into place every single week, I'm just going to dive into my desktop. So here we are on my YouTube channel, and as you can see at the time of this recording, it has 1.97k subscribers, so just coming up on that 2,000 subscriber mark. So it's quite a small channel. But how has this generated me over 6 figures in revenue? What I do is I am consistent with everything I do, and I'm very methodical and focused on how I produce the content and exactly what content to produce. So as you can see, I have generated content every week for the last couple of years, but I always do keyword research before I create any content. So why do I do that? I want to see what people are actually searching for, either a solution to their problem or a how-to, or a little bit of information on anything for me, online business. So the tips and tools for building your online business. So this last video here, YouTube channel settings, I actually got an idea from one of my clients, but then I actually looked into YouTube and asked YouTube really, are people searching for YouTube channel settings, anything to do with how to set up their YouTube channel? So YouTube channel, and then all you have to do is start the sentence and YouTube will auto-populate. So YouTube channel ideas, YouTube channel create, and here you go, YouTube channel settings. So this is YouTube telling you that people are searching for the keywords YouTube channel settings. So I would go through YouTube channel settings, and then you can always put another space bar afterwards and then get some more ideas about for beginners, for more views, to get more views. So it can give you an idea of what type of content to create. And also have a look at the search engine results page to see how people are creating content to show up for these key searches. So this search string, YouTube channel settings. So that is the first thing I do. I create content for what people are already searching for in order to show up for that search. Then what I do is I actually upload that after the keyword research. I produce the content, I edit the content, and then I publish this content. So this was the essential YouTube channel settings to get more views. As you can see by the graph on the right, it's having some good traction. People are engaging with it. But what I want to do next is I'm using YouTube for lead generation, so email generation. If you are building any kind of online business, it's essential that you build a list of emails. It's great building followings on different kind of platforms, but they are not your followings. If you generate a list of emails, you can then reach out to those emails over time if you have products and services that you want to promote. That is how I then sell my products and my services off the back. So everywhere on this channel, first of all, you want to engage with your content. You want people to watch. You want people to take action at the end. So if I create this bit of content and it shows up when people are searching for what YouTube channel settings should I have to get more views, then you're actually going to have to deliver on your promise. So I go through in this video and showcase how I set my YouTube channel settings up to get more views. And then if people actually find your content valuable, which they should, you should always be offering a next step. A small percentage of people that watch your content or engage with you are going to want to learn more from you. Understand the next steps that they can take. So always, I am having a link, a signpost, a next step that's really simple. So here I have a landing page where they can go and get a downloadable guide. So here it's a free jumpstart guide to learn exactly what you need to do to reach your first 1,000 subscribers. So if you're just starting out on YouTube, so I put it here in the actual description. I pin a comment. I actually say it in the YouTube video because YouTube will transcribe what you're saying. And at the end of each video, I have a call to action in terms of a graphic that comes up on the screen, and then any end screens that you can pop out, I actually have it here that pops out to a landing page. Now, my whole strategy for building a YouTube channel is to generate a list of emails, not just any emails, a list of emails that people are interested in building a business off the back of YouTube, and more specifically, a really focused one-person business. So all I do here is, this is a squeeze page. They either opt in or leave. That is it. So if they want this free guide, I use a platform called Kajabi to deliver the guide and then capture their email. So from here, then once you have their email, you can follow up with any products and services you have. But how do you actually create and position your products and services? I use this model and I call it proximity to you, the creator. You may have seen a value ladder or an ascension model before, but I think you are the commodity. You are the offer. So let's look at starting with free content. This video is free content, so I don't charge anything for this. But if you wanted an on-demand course, some more training, then I could probably charge for that. And you can go through that training at your own time. But then you could probably have some sort of membership or group coaching program that you can then maybe charge a little bit more for that. Or you could have a one-to-one coaching program, or you could even position your own services or implementation as a freelancer. So the more closer access that they get to you or proximity to you, then the cost should go up as a reflection of that. So you should try and think of having a bit of a suite of products that you can offer people no matter what stage of the journey they are at. And over the last couple of years, this is actually how I have generated the most revenue in my online business. I started at the other end. I started with one-to-one implementation services so I could actually charge more. Then I came back to one-to-one coaching. Now I offer group coaching, and then I'm going to be launching some mini courses. So that is how I put my product suite together, and that's how I've generated the majority of the revenue. And if you stay all the way to the end, I'm going to break down my 3 main revenue sources. So the next revenue source then is affiliate deals or any products that I promote as a partner. And the biggest one for me is the platform that I use to run pretty much my entire online business, which is Kajabi. And if you want to check it out, I can get you a 30-day free trial and a bunch of bonuses. You can just simply head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. But this has generated me another chunk of significant income. And again, stay to the end of this video as I'm going to break down the percentage of income that Kajabi has generated me over the last couple of years. And then lastly, then the other recurring revenue that I get is from YouTube ad revenue. And as you can see, the lifetime of this channel, I've had $613 just as YouTube ad revenue. I've tested turning on and turning off monetization on my channel. And if you actually are a YouTube partner, you can turn this on. You have the opportunity to earn money as other creators or other advertisers advertise on your channel. So all in all then, my 3 main revenue streams is the biggest one is creating my own products and services, actually coaching people, helping people, training people, or implementing stuff as a freelancer myself. That's how I've generated over $60,000 over the last couple of years. My second biggest is affiliating with other companies and platforms like Kajabi. That's generated me over $38,000 over the last couple of years. And then the smallest but still recurring revenue is YouTube ad revenue, which is just over $600. So that's how I've generated over $100,000 from a YouTube channel as small as 2,000 subscribers, not even 2,000 subscribers. So if that's interested you and you want a clear next step, I would say go and download my free YouTube Jumpstart guide. Is going to teach you exactly what you need to do to get to your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. You simply head to timpeakman.com/YouTube. Get access to that guide today, and I will be following up with you with any products or services that I think that may be of interest to you. That link once more, timpeakman.com/YouTube. And I just want to encourage you to keep creating content, keep growing that YouTube channel and building a business off of the back. Just remember, it's far more valuable to have a potent YouTube channel that generates you money rather than having lots of subscribers with no way of monetizing. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.